It's fish heaven. Just after low water. There's just features everywhere. There's pools, bars, gullies, sand, mud. See, the ground's starting to ease now. It's not so rough, it's more broken. That's what we've just come over. Big chain of rocks. Those fish are going to be in there, rooting around. Crabs, shrimps, shellfish, worms, anything that's washing around in there. There we go, got our first fish of the session. Absolutely stunning little bass. He's just a beautiful fish. He's on lug about 30 yards out. So you haven't got a cast file to catch fish. Let's pop it back. Flopped a couple of worms in a little gully about 10 yards out. I've picked up this little beauty. He's probably 2.5 pound. Lovely looking fish. Gave me a cracking bite. So really close in. Nice to see. Okay, we just missed a bite. Got his tunes blasting, he's just put the tunes on and he's got a bite. But unfortunately, I think he's missed it. Another little one. All bass are welcome. bass are welcome this time of year. Flopping back. This is what we're getting them on. Just standard blow lug. They're good size. I'm only putting about 2 on. And just flopping it out 15 yards. Just, there's a good sea running, so aiming for the deeper water between the banks and flicking it out there.
There we go, number 2 for me. Close in again. Yeah, close in again. Nice stamper fish.
Worth the move, Cave?
That was indeed. I was struggling at that other spot. Been here about half hour, 40 minutes, and there we go, number 2. Joe's just had a mega bite. He thinks he's missed it.
Buggeration. Missed it? What do you think of fishing at the moment, Kate?
We're moving. Just moved. It's the first fish. It's not a big one, but the way today's been going, they're all welcome, so there we go.
Well, there's bass here, chaps, but they seem to be getting smaller. Look at that. He's a tiny little fella.
Live bait.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's better than whiting anyway. I'd rather catch little tiny bass than little tiny whiting. I just hope there's some codling out there.